The Channel Master FM antenna includes the antenna boom, 2 element rods, 1 balun matching transformer, 2 1-inch machine screws, 2 wing nuts, and an instruction manual. Step 1. Insert both element rods into the main bracket as shown. Then, place the 2 machine screws into the holes. Step 2. Connect the 2 balun matching transformer ring terminals to the screws as shown. Then tighten the 2 wing nuts. This concludes the assembly of the Channel Master FM antenna. For additional product and installation videos from Channel Master, please subscribe to our official YouTube channel and visit us online at channelmaster.com.